Cox's Bazar Beach is a beach in Cox's Bazar district in Bangladesh. At 120 kilometers, 75 miles long, it is the longest natural beach in the world. Cox's Bazar Beach is the longest uninhabited beach in the world. The feature of this beach is that the whole beach is sandy. Mud does not exist. Cox's Bazar is bustling with tourists during the tourist season, with a variety of coral market stalls including snails and oysters adjacent to the sandy beach, state-of-the-art hotel-motel cottages, and ever-renovated Burmese markets. Cox's Bazar Beach is a magical and beautiful beach. Everyday production changes its form. There is no season like winter, monsoon, spring, summer when the look of the beach does not change. It is one thing in the morning and another thing in the afternoon. Every day innumerable domestic and foreign tourists come to this beach. Cox's Bazar is inhabited by different tribes or ethnic groups, which has made the city more diverse. The Chakma community is the chief among these tribes. The city of Cox's Bazar and nearby Raml have a Buddhist temple as a holy place of pilgrimage for Buddhists. The temple in Cox's Bazar has several rare Buddhist statues. These temples and statues are one of the attractions and focal points for tourists. Cox's Bazar has not only the sea, but also a river called Bangkali. This river is very important for the fishing industry of the city. Cox's Bazar is famous as the healthiest place in Bangladesh. Beach sections: Labani Point, Kalatali Point, Fragrance Points, Daryanagar Beach, Himchari, Inani Beach, Teknaf Beach,